Hi, can you spot the camera? It's here. And today's video is all about these Oakley Meta glasses. Almost every review talks about how good are the features of these glasses, but no one is talking about these lenses. The lenses which we look through all day. And today I'll tell you how Oakley Meta glasses might have a pretty good advantage over Ray-Ban Meta glasses. So let's get into this. We will obviously look at the smart features of these smart glasses, which I think almost everyone knows. So let's unbox this. Let's take a look at the box first. It says Oakley in collaboration with Meta. Comes with a label here which has all the details. It is priced at 47,600. This is not the basic model. This is the one with transition. That's why it is priced at 47,600. It has a pull tab here. It has the instruction manual inside here. It comes with a cleaning cloth. It's a good cleaning cloth. Very sturdy case, very heavy. It has a USB-C charging port here. And these are the glasses. I guess we'll have to pull this off first. I guess it is in pairing mode now. And here they are, the Oakley Meta HTSN. This is the closer look of the frame. My first impressions are these look fantastic. I'm holding these for the first time. It says Oakley Meta HTSN, again SLR Luxottica, the brand which owns the and the Ray-Ban and has collaborated with the Meta's logo. Now the pair I am showcasing today is the transparent clear version. And honestly, this might be my favorite colorway. Most technology products hide what's underneath the product, but this one almost celebrates. Like as you rotate the frame, you can see what's inside the frame, what is the technology inside. You can subtly see the parts of the internal structure, the hardware underneath the frame. Like this is the camera. This definitely feels futuristic. I think it looks weird at first because of this black connected thing, but these are definitely eye-catching. People will definitely talk about this, will ask you what are you wearing. Now before we talk about the glasses, let's talk about the Oakley brand. Oakley has always been different from other brands. It has built its reputation around performance, while many brands focus on fashion. So like you must have seen a lot of athletes like cyclists, runners, even the Indian cricket team carry the Oakley sports frames, the performance frames. So basically Oakley has mastered its technology in the optics, unlike other brands who are focusing heavily on the fashion, the design of the frame, the looks of the frame. Oakley is focusing more on the optics, on the lenses through which you see the entire day. For decades, Oakley has invested heavily in the lens technology, and that brings us to the most overlooked feature in the Oakley Meta glasses, which are the Prism lenses. Now, this frame does not come with the Prism lenses. These lenses are transitions generation 8 lenses. I have another colorway of the Oakley, which is this black colorway, and it is one of the variants which comes with the Oakley Prism technology lenses. If you see here, it has Prism engraved, which tells you that these lenses are equipped with the Prism technology. Now, if you have heard of Oakley before, by any chance, then you must have heard of Prism, because almost good premium Oakley pieces come with the Prism technology lenses. Now, most people think that Prism lenses are simply Oakley's version of polarized lenses, but they are not. Prism lenses also come with polarization and without polarization. Prism is Oakley's contrast enhancement technology, which they have developed over decades of research. It's like you are using the vivid filter in your iPhone's camera, if you have ever used it. It basically pops up the colors whenever you are using the Prizm lenses. To break it down, let's understand this first. Sunglasses basically just makes your vision dark. They reduce the amount of light entering your eyes with the help of dark lenses. But Prism takes a different approach. Instead of making your world simply darker, Oakley engineers the lenses to manage the specific wavelength of the light, which increases the contrast greatly and helps important details stand out more clearly. The image doesn't just become darker, the details are easier to distinguish, and that's what Prism is trying to achieve here. Now let's compare these with what almost all people are familiar with, which are the polarized lenses. People automatically believe that the polarized lenses are the better choice, but that is not always the better choice. So what is polarization? It basically reduces glare. If you are outdoors a lot and around shiny surfaces like water bodies or like mirror-like surfaces, then polarization is good for you. It simply reduces the glare. But Prism, on the other hand, is focused on enhancing the contrast, the colors, and the details of your perception. The question isn't which one is better. The question is, what problem are you trying to solve? And this is where I think Oakley Meta becomes really interesting. Ray-Ban Meta is essentially bringing Meta's technology into a lifestyle eyewear product, and Oakley Meta is bringing Meta's technology into a performance eyewear product. And that's a very important distinction because Oakley has decades of experience in designing eyewear for demanding visual environments, like when you're driving, if you're into sports, any kind of outdoor activities. If you're a lot outdoors, then Oakley has mastered that thing where you get the comfort with the very good optics. I always focus more on optics whenever I'm talking about lenses, like the Zeiss lenses, for example. They're very good at optics. That's what Oakley is doing here as well. Now let's talk about this frame itself. The frame has the traditional Oakley straight arms, unlike the Ray-Ban Metas. So these are the Ray-Ban Metas, where the Ray-Ban Metas has curved arms and the Oakley Metas have the straight arms, where, like all the Oakley frames. These straight arms helps to get a snug fit on the face. It never lets the frame droops down. As you can see, it has wrapped around my face very nicely, and whenever I'm wearing the Ray-Ban Metas, they also have a good fit on the face. But for some people with narrower face or even broad face, it can get off the face or droop down the face with time when it gets loose. But because of these straight arms, it has a good wrap around on the head, and it only comes it only comes in one size. So I think it will suit and fit all faces. This definitely looks sporty without looking aggressive. I mean this frame is a bit aggressive because of the internal hardware thing. But if you choose another colorway, like this black one, they look sporty, and I feel they also look stylish, unlike other sports frame which you can only carry with your athletic outfit. I think these can also be carried with your everyday outfit, your casual wear. Now this colorway comes with the transitions gray lenses. I've explained a lot of times about the transitions lenses. They get dark as soon as you get out in sun and get light in a matter of 60 or 90 seconds as soon as you get inside, and they're sort of smart lenses, so they get dark according to the intensity of UV exposure or the sunlight. But as I've always said, they don't turn into sunglasses like they have turned right now. Unfortunately, they don't get this dark when the temperature is above 35 degrees and when it is not much sunny. About the smart features of these glasses, You guys know, let's keep it short. They have amazing speakers. I'm pretty sure if you use any sort of earbuds or anything, any audio devices in your ears, these glasses might replace them. They have an open ear speaker setup which gives you a surround sound like experience, projects the audio directly into your ears. The another most important and popular feature of these glasses are the camera. Like, I can just ask Meta AI to, oh, it just got in, I just invoked it. I can just ask Meta AI to record things in front of me and it will start recording, or even capture a photo. The third most important thing is the Meta AI. It is almost like the Chat GPT, which we guys are using a lot these days. I know people are not using Meta AI that much, which is integrated into almost all the Meta platforms like WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, but it works flawlessly like Chat GPT. You can literally ask what you're looking at and it will tell you all the details about the things. For example, if you're looking at a plant, a tree, a t-shirt, you can ask what is the price of the t-shirt online. If you're eating something, you can ask the recipe of that thing. Other than this, you can ask Meta AI to call people, to send messages, to post photos. I mean, these glasses will definitely replace your phone in the coming future. It has a haptic touchpad here, so if you want to play a song, you can just tap it and it will start playing. It has started playing a song. You can increase the volume by swiping up and decrease the volume by swiping down. The interesting part is that you can see this touchpad in this colorway, the transparent. As you can see, there's a black part with arrows, so like it's a haptic feedback or touchpad which is controlled by your fingers. You can tap it to pause, play a song, to pick up calls, to hang up calls. You can double tap to change songs, and even swipe up and down to increase the volume or decrease the volume. One of these is a camera and one of these is a light. The light starts up whenever you record something or clicks a picture. For example, hey Meta, start recording. So it has started recording and this light is blinking. These lenses are zero power lenses. We also can get your Meta frames fitted with the Transition Generation S in your prescription, and fit your Meta glasses with the Transition lenses. They will be the high-end Transitions Generation S lenses with any color you want and with Crizal Sapphire coating, which is more transparent, more scratch resistant than Crizal Easy. Even if you want, we can get your Oakley Metas fitted with the original authentic Oakley prescription lenses with the Prism technology or the polarization or the Prism polarization. There's an entire Oakley lens portfolio. WhatsApp me to inquire more about the Meta glasses, either Ray-Ban or Oakley. I can provide you the best prices with the best prescription lenses. So who is this product the Oakley Meta HTSNs are for? See, if you're primarily looking for fashion first or fashion focused smart glasses experience, then these Ray-Ban Meta are for you. They are designed in a way which will go for with all of your casual outfits. Even these come with the transition lenses, and we can again customize it with your prescription lenses. They also come with polarized tinted lenses, polarized G15 lenses, which are green lenses. But if you're someone who appreciates performance eyewear, spends time outdoors, follows Oakley products, or even appreciates advanced optical technology or optics technology, Oakley Meta HTSNs become more appealing for you, and I think more value for money, because you're getting more than a wearable gadget. You are getting Oakley's genuine product with Oakley's lens technology, the lens heritage built into it. And that's why I think Oakley Meta HTSNs should deserve more attention than they're getting, just not from the tech review but from eyewear enthusiasts as well. If you enjoyed this deeper optical perspective on the Oakley Meta glasses, then make sure you subscribe to the channel because more such videos are coming up. We'll be comparing other Oakley models with Ray-Ban Meta models. We bring a lot of videos on different lenses, different labs of lenses, and everything eyewear. If you liked the video, make sure you hit the subscribe button, also the like button, share the video with someone who may need it. And if you have any questions about these Meta glasses or anything related to your glasses, to your lenses, you can ping me on my WhatsApp number. You can comment down in the video. Also, we're doing a giveaway of the transition lens, the same transition lenses which these Meta glasses are equipped with, even better, because you get a lot of options, color options, a better coating on it, which is Crystal Sapphire coating. We're giving away the transition Generation S lenses as soon as we cross 200 subscribers. So make sure you subscribe, give us a like, comment in the previous video which is about the transitions color touch. That's how you enter the giveaway. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.